All right, what's going on, guys? Tremaine here. We're going to do a little bit of a different video today. First, we're going to go over this Asia ATM model breakdown, trade breakdown, and then we're going to talk about briefly a little bit of psychology stuff. So starting off here, okay, we did live stream Asia today for the first time in the Discord. Okay, so this is where you want to mark up your liquidity between 6 p.m., 7 p.m. New York time. This was your lowest low, and that was your highest high. So the Asia model, wait for one of the liquidity pools to be taken out and look for a repricing either to the initial sell side or current new day opening gap. Okay, in the stream, we sat through all of this consolidation here. We're just waiting, simply sitting on our hands, waiting for either buy side or sell side to be taken out. Didn't care which one. So we take out the buy side. So now at this point in time, as soon as we take out the buy side, what are we waiting for? Sell side. Okay, we've already cleared out liquidity that formed after 6 p.m. Now I'm looking for the sell side that formed after 6 p.m., which is this low here. So all of this run here down to this fair value gap, I'm not interested in. Fair value gap, I'm not interested in. Can you buy this? Yes, you can. But we're focusing on a specific model, and that model is we clear out initial buy side. Now we're looking for new day opening gap as a target and potentially the sell side down here. So we're trading up, breakaway gap, trading up, rejection block on the 1 minute time frame. So we have this swing high, your highest closing price in this swing high. Draw that through, that's your rejection block. Okay, notice how we had these long wicks here. Okay, you have to note that closing price, okay, because this high isn't guaranteed. The rejection block in itself is a pool of liquidity, okay. Volume is in the bulk of the bodies. The wicks do the damage, but the bulk of the volume is in the bodies of the candle. So take that closing price and draw it through. Bang. Okay, I even told in the live stream, okay, those who tuned in can vouch for me, I was not interested in taking anything going long. I wanted shorts. I was waiting to go short because I'm looking for sell side down here. We rally up, rejection block, break down. At this point in time, when price was looking like this, we just ended the stream because I was like, all right, we already sat through this consolidation. Nasdaq looks really bullish. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. We're getting close to 9 o'clock. Ended the stream, and a few minutes right after end the stream, we get this rotation lower. Ended up taking this trade on my phone while I was on my way to go get some food. Fair value gap, trades up, boom. Let's zoom in a little bit, get a little more detail, huh? This right here is a balanced price range. Single pass up, single pass down. This range is balanced. There's no need for price to come back into this area. It's already been efficiently delivered. Fair value gap here. Candle opens, trades up. Small little detail right here. If you take consequent encroachment of this wick, notice how we failed to reach midpoint. That's bearish. That's heavy. Price couldn't even tap midpoint of that wick, which is also a gap. We sell off again. Last up close candle. That is your bearish order block. Candle opens, trades up, sells off again. This is also a market maker sell model, by the way, if you identified that. Sell off again, fair value gap. This is where I go short, targeting what? New day opening gap. If you want, if you're comfortable leaving a runner on for the sell side formed after 6 p.m., you can do that. But me personally, this is my bread and butter setup right here. Fair value gap short, targeting new day opening gap high. And there you go. So real quick, this past week, I've been getting a lot of messages. A lot of people are struggling with psychology and especially the fear of missing out, okay, FOMO. So I'm going to go through my personal experience just this past couple of days in trading, just this past week, and hopefully you guys can gain some insight from this. So this is Tuesday's trading, okay? I don't trade Mondays, so just kind of put yourself in my shoes for a little bit and kind of just understand where I'm coming from as far as my mindset when I'm trading and when I'm missing out on moves or whatever. So Monday, I'm not trading, all right? I don't take trades Monday. Monday is always a tapering stream. I'm not looking to press any buttons. Tuesday, Nasdaq slapped me around. Okay, I shared my losses on Instagram. I took 2 losses here, going short in this fair value gap. Got stopped out, broke lower. This candle open, traded up. I go short one more time. Nasdaq completely runs over the top of me. Got stopped out twice within like 5 minutes. All right, no big deal. I took those 2 losses. My trading plan is if I take 2 losses, I'm done trading for the day. Not the session, the day. So I don't care what happens, anything over here. We're looking for sell side the entire time during that stream on Tuesday. Fair value gap, I was expecting that to take us lower. I got stopped. Target ended up getting hit right before the lunch hour. Am I feeling FOMO after seeing this? No. Am I feeling regret? No. I'm following my trading plan. I got 2 bullets, 2 attempts to make something happen in the market for that trading day. If I lose twice, I am done. That's a rule I have. It's in my trading plan. It's very strict. It's very defined. It's non-negotiable. That is my rule. I lose twice on Tuesday. Charts are closed for the rest of the day. Let's fast forward to Wednesday. All right, so now here's Wednesday's trading. I didn't take any trades in this morning session. Okay, this is the morning session. Going lower, going lower, going lower. I don't trade before 10 o'clock, so I didn't go short in anything up here. Going lower, get to 10 o'clock. Wasn't comfortable going short. Nasdaq just running without me. Am I feeling FOMO? No, I'm not. I'm being patient. I don't want to sell when it's low. If I didn't get in short here or somewhere in here, I'm not looking to go short down here or down here. So I told the stream once we got to about 1050, I said, all right, Nasdaq's moved too far lower for me to feel interested in buying, and I'm not trying to chase it going lower, so I'm going to cut the stream off. Right when I cut off the stream, London closed macro 1050 to 1110. We get a beautiful, beautiful retracement, which is classic as we head towards the lunch hour. Fair value gap, fair value gap. I missed out on all of this. Okay, so now put yourself in my shoes for a little bit. I didn't take a trade Monday. Tuesday, got slapped around. Today, Wednesday, I missed a pretty nice sell-off in the morning. And right after I closed my charts, I missed this beautiful trending day in the afternoon. Now, we did live stream this lunch hour, 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock. All right, I'm seeing this nice move here. I said, okay, no problem. I couldn't get an entry here. I told the stream, told the Discord members that, hey, I'm going to stream the lunch hour, 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock, see if I can find something. We got this price action, which to me is chop. Still haven't taken a trade yet. Still 0-2 for the week. 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock didn't bring anything. Immediately after I closed my charts at 1 o'clock, now we get some movement. Fair value gap, and it's just higher. PM session higher. I didn't get to participate in any of this move. Everybody in the Discord did, which is amazing. I saw people, they've captured the biggest trade they ever caught. Record trades, doing record numbers, passing combines, combines and funded challenges and game payouts, which is awesome. Congrats. Shout outs to you guys. Like, hats off. Killing it. Love it. Love to see you guys succeeding. I didn't participate in any of this. Am I feeling FOMO? No. Why? The markets are algorithmic. It's not going anywhere. Nothing's changing. Okay. The setups are always going to be there. So I get a lot of messages and people saying, like, I'm greedy or I'm FOMO. I just jumped in just to jump in. And I'm beating myself up because I didn't get in that move. I knew it was going to go up there. I didn't go long, or I didn't catch that short. It's okay. It's okay. There's always going to be another 9:30 a.m. open. There's always going to be another Asia session. There's always going to be another new day opening gap. There's always going to be another 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock hour. It's literally the same thing. So I don't care if I don't take a trade Monday, and then I trade Tuesday, and I go 0 for 2. And I trade Wednesday. I missed the sell-off in the morning. I missed the rally going higher in the afternoon. I don't get anything during lunch. It doesn't matter because I know that the markets are algorithmic. That's all the reassurance that you need. So if you're struggling with FOMO, if you're struggling with the fear of missing out, and you're struggling with just overcoming that impulsiveness of just, I got to get in there. Like, I got to get in there. Or if you're revenge trading, just understand the markets are algorithmic. The same stuff's going to happen tomorrow, next week, next month, next quarter, next 6 months, next year. It's the same thing. So just chill. Just chill, overcome your emotions, build the discipline of being able to sit on your hands. All right? The best skill set you can have is being able to just sit still. Just sit still. Can you go a whole 3 days straight without taking a trade? Can you do that? Can you go a whole week without taking a trade? I can, with ease. I can go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days without taking a trade. If I don't see something I like in price action, everybody else can make as much money as they want. I don't care how many payouts I see people getting. I don't care how many people getting funded. I don't care how many setups people are taking that they say is really clean. If I'm looking at my chart and I don't like what I see, I'm not touching it. I don't care. Nasdaq can take off 500 handles and have a record-breaking day, whatever. I'm sitting still. Okay, if you lost your funded account, if you're in deep drawdown, if you're struggling in trading, if you're still trying to find your way, for one, understand that we're just now getting out of August. August typically is the hardest month, okay, of the year. As we bleed into September, the summer months as a whole can be a little bit harder to navigate, so don't beat yourself up too much. And then just build the habit of being comfortable sitting on your hands. You're not going to be in every move. You're not going to be every short. You're not going to be in every long. You're just not. So get over yourself. Don't get in your feelings, okay? Get out of your own head. Show back up tomorrow. Journal. What did you do wrong? Where did your emotions get the best of you? Write that down. Write it down. Because if you just forget about it, it's going to happen again and again and again and again. So if you are impulsive, write it down. Why were you impulsive? What triggered that impulsiveness? If you revenge traded, why did you revenge trade? What triggered that? How can you prevent that? Write it down. Don't just think about it. Write it down. Pen and paper. If you're a FOMO, you had the fear of missing out and you impulsively jumped into a trade because you don't want to miss out. Everybody else making money. What triggered that? Why did you jump in? Why did you feel impulsive? Why did you press that button when you know you shouldn't have? Write it down. All right. So I think that's it, man. Love y'all. See you in the live stream tomorrow at 9:30. All right. Peace.